found out about everything, I started cheating on him. I mean, if you can call it cheating when you cheat on a cheater. Myself in 3 words, well, I am a good person. I am also fun and funny and hardworking, and I'm sorry, that's gonna be more than 3 words. Anyway, what am I doing here in Moscow? It was only gonna be like this for a few more months. And then in Mexico, we'd be together forever. And I took off real fast before you could come out of the house. But then, at home, I made you fess up. And you said, wasn't nothing but a fling. You said that it's just that you ain't the same after the baby. I told your mama. And she said, y'all just gonna have to forgive him. Boys will be boys. You know men always running around chasing after other women, even when they already got one. I guess I believed her, and even accepted that you must love that ugly girl as well. My. I had been added to part of your collection. Smashing. So, like this when we went out, there weren't any of those long looks, or kisses, or hugs, or baby, or sweetie, or honey. No promises, nothing at all. These were the terms of our agreement. But one day you couldn't understand why I kept my distance. Why, even in the most secluded places, I wouldn't hold your hand. And why, generally, I was such a cold bitch. Really? Well, I had thought that I was just part of your collection. You were so sweet when you said those things. And I'm from another generation where we tend to take people at their word. So I thought that I could hold your hand and be seen in public with someone younger than me, even if I don't look my actual age. You know, I had thought your balls were pretty big. But actually, not so much. So, I think out of my love for you, I'll just take them off, What do you say? It rains often in Mexico. I think I'm going to like it.